Hello guys, welcome to Tech Job Career.
Today update is from the eBay. eBay is hiring for Java engineer. Location is Bangalore, India. Category is engineering. This is a job ID. Please note it. It will help you to get the referral. Location is on site. This is the detail about the company. You can read it. In this video, we are going to discuss the important things like what are the qualifications and skills required for this job and what is the salary range. Let's start. Role overview. They are seeking an enthusiastic and motivated Java developer to join their growing engineering team. This is an excellent opportunity for a recent graduate or an early professional to kickstart career in software development. In this role, you will work under the guidance of senior developers contributing to the development, testing, maintenance of their Java-based applications and services, and you will gain hands-on experience with modern technologies and best practices to collaborate and supportive environment. Responsibilities like code development, write, test, debug clean and efficient Java code for new features and enhancement under supervision. Bug fixing, assist in identifying and resolving software defects and issues. Testing, participate in unit testing and support integration testing to ensure code qualities. Learning and growth, actively learn new technologies, tools and best practices from senior members and through self-studies. Collaborations, work closely with team members including senior developers, quality assurance and product owners to understand the requirement and to contribute to the project goals. Documentations, assist in creating and maintaining technical documentation with the help of Swaggers. Code review participations, learn from and contribute to the code reviews. Support, provide support from existing application as needed. Qualifications, bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering or related technical field. Experience 0 to 2 years of professional experience in Java development or a strong academic project experience. Core Java, fundamental understanding of Java including object-oriented programming, OOPS concept, basic data structure and algorithm. Database, basic understanding of relational database and SQLs. AI assisted code generations, familiarity with foundation of AI concept, practical experience applying AI powered coding generations, example OpenAI Codex, GitHub Copilot, Anthropic Claude, Cursor and Windsurf, or understanding of transformer based code generations will be significant asset. Generative AI and large language model LLM, understanding of large language model, prompt engineering, retrieval argument generations, model context protocol MCP is highly desirable. Tools, familiarity with version control systems, example Git. They are also require the AI generative AI knowledge. So update your resume according to the job description. Please mention all these skills in your resume. If you know or if you don't know, learn the basic things of that and mention it in your resume and apply for the job. Problem solving, eagerness to learn and basic aptitude for problem solving. Communication, good verbal and written communication skills or willingness to ask questions. They also want exposure of Spring framework like Spring Boot through coursework or personal project, RESTful APIs, familiarity with build tools like Maven and Gradle, unit testing framework JUnit, and exposure of cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP, Google Cloud Platform, or containerization, Docker. Understanding of Agile Scrum methodologies. These are the skills required for this job, and the salary range is 10 to 15 LPA. Apply link is given in the description. If you are facing any problem in applying, please comment. I will help you on that. Thank you.